Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Wadzpay, future of financial services. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. And guys, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite XDC network, guys. So do check it out. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Wadzpay at the time of the recording. Let's see what WTK is doing at the moment. So guys, WTK is up 2.54% for the day. The price is 0.05871, almost 6 cents, guys. It touched 6 cents and it is now coming down. This is the daily chart. So the price went as high as 0.062, came down, tested the 0.055 mark, almost yeah, so and it came back up again, tested the 0.061 mark. It is basically on its way to test the daily resistance over here. Let's hope that it makes it, because if it does, then we'll be up in the last 7 days as well, and we'll be on our way to basically going out from breaking this resistance zone in the 7 days chart. If you look at the 7 days chart, guys, 6 cents remains a crucial mark over here. The price went as low as almost 5 cents, guys, and ever since that time there was buying pressure over here, and the price came back up again. Now it is on its way to basically test the 6 cents mark. Let's hope it does. If we look at the monthly, though, the price is down 17.58%. It touched almost 0.092, almost 9 cents. 9.5 cents almost, guys, 0.09318. And since that time, profit taking happened and the price is now down, touched 5 cents, and now I think it is on its way back up, because guys, we tested a crucial yearly support as well. The 5 cent is a really crucial support in the yearly. It basically touched this. We took our time to get out of this resistance, and I think that this resistance has now turned into crucial support over here, and I think that it will remain so, and the price will now go back up and finally test the yearly high, the yearly resistance, and we will basically kill a zero in the next move up. But obviously, this is my take on it. Let's see how it goes. Check this out, guys. The price went from 0.01352 in the air all the way to 9 cents. It is basically it is natural for people to be taking profit over here, and corrections are natural. Price doesn't go vertically. We need corrections, so the correction has happened. Let's see all-time chart, guys. So yeah, this is a crucial support as well, 4 cent, and this 5 cent area over here. Like I told you guys, from here on forward, we're going to be going up. There is going to be a lot of buying and selling in a lot of these areas, but ultimately, guys, I think we will eventually reach our all-time highs and beyond. Let's see when that happens, but I think that we will eventually get there, because Wadzpay is indeed developing. It is progressing it at a tremendous pace. Let's see how it goes. Anyways, guys, let me show you this post over here. This is the latest post from the Wadzpay official handle 6 hours ago, guys. Revolutionizing future of financial services with stablecoins. Exclusive interview with Jason Saria Solis. Explore Wadzpay's approach to stablecoins and how it is set to transform the financial landscape. Jason Saria Solis, with his extensive fintech and blockchain experience, unveils Wadzpay's strategic vision. So check these out. Check this out, guys. Let us first look into this.
I'm excited to announce the interview that I did with CoinGate, and that's to talk about the elevation of Wadzpay into more of a financial services blockchain company. That starts with the release of our stablecoin business, which is a standalone business. And the stablecoin business is going to be focused on two key areas. The first area is stablecoin as a service, and this is a infrastructure play, and we'll be targeting global banks and governments around the world who wish to build their own stablecoin infrastructure. The second business is us issuing our own US dollar stablecoin, and this will be across three key areas. The first area is cross-border payments. We'll be looking for enterprises that wish to do treasury management services where they're sending money globally around the world. And the final area is settlement of real-world assets on chain, which is a huge potential business. So we're excited about the launch. The interview is going to give you a little bit of information about what we're up to. So I hope you enjoyed the interview, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
So guys, this is the progress from Jason about this stablecoin and how they want to expand towards the real-world asset tokenization business, as well as the real-world asset tokenization sector, as well as cross-border payment sector. So check this out, guys. The key highlights: stablecoin integration, enhancing digital transactions with secure, reliable stablecoin solutions, innovative business lines, launching stablecoin as a service for banks and governments. So the banks and governments will be involved, and this is why Wadzpay wants to be regulated. It wants to be compliant, and with the WASP license, guys, obviously you know that they're taking the safe route with keeping the government in check. And Wadzpay's own stablecoin for cross-border payments and asset tokenization, guys. Like Jason said a moment ago, market focus, targeting high growth emerging markets and leveraging unique opportunities, transparency and compliance, real-time transaction verification, stringent regulatory adherence, and 1:1 USD peg for stability. So basically, stablecoins are the backbone of the digital economy, and Wadzpay is at the forefront of this transformation, guys. According to Mr. Jason, let us look into the this full interview. We're here as well. This is coingate.com, guys. You have to check this out yourselves. These are some key questions over here. We're going to be skimming through them. So check this out, guys. You have diverse experience in the blockchain and fintech space. Can you share more about the same? How does it all lead up to you joining Wadzpay? I was introduced to Bitcoin by a friend in 2016. So basically, this is the history which Jason provides, how he came to Wadzpay. This basically different opinions and basically joining a niche. I joined Ripple as VP for their new emerging business around CBDC, tokenization, stablecoins, and DeFi. I ran a huge pilot of the Hong Kong Monetary Authority and learned a lot about the future of money. This led me to building a business plan for stablecoins, and I brought it to Anish at Wadzpay. The rest is history. Tell us a bit about what the key solutions Wadzpay offers and where stablecoin fits into the overall scheme of things. Wadzpay was starting in 2018 with the vision of replacing the traditional payment rails that Visa and Mastercard use. So we provide companies with payment solutions featuring our own blockchain network and provide an end-to-end technology solution. So Wadzpay's end-to-end solutions are designed to facilitate seamless, secure, and efficient payment processing, positioning us at the forefront of the evolving fintech landscape. So guys, this is where the title comes from. Wadzpay was started in 2018 and replacing the traditional payment rails that Visa and Mastercard use, basically replacing Visa and Mastercard. But I think they will integrate, but this seems to be a fancy title. So anyways, tell us a bit about the Wadzpay's plan for the new stablecoin business. So what they will do, we will be launching two business lines initially. Firstly, stablecoin as a service. And secondly, we will be launching our own Wadzpay stablecoin, and the primary use case for this will be cross-border payments, settlement of transactions related to real-world asset, tokenization, and treasury services for enterprise customers. This seems cool. Question number 4, stablecoin is a very competitive space. Even some countries are planning to enter the space with CBDCs. How does Wadzpay stand out, basically? So the stablecoin space is indeed competitive, especially for use cases involving in on off ramps. So what does Wadzpay aim to do? Our approach combines innovative technology, strategic market focus, and a deep understanding of the evolving financial ecosystem, which positions Wadzpay to stand out in the competitive stablecoin landscape. Obviously, this is competitive, and let's hope that Wadzpay stands out ultimately. But I think, yeah, this is a competitive niche. So let's hope for the best. How does the stablecoins business tie in with the rest of the products that Wadzpay offers? Due to compliance and regulatory reasons, the stablecoin business will operate as a standalone business for Wadzpay. So this will be a standalone business under a different brand entity, guys. We will strategically leverage Wadzpay's technology, customer base, and other assets to enhance the stablecoin's functionality and integration. So basically, this will be a standalone project. Could you walk us through the mechanism of your stablecoin, its peg, and where you store them? So the mechanism, guys, this is the mechanism, basically 1:1 with the USD. This is the idea of stablecoin as you know it. So mechanism, pegging the stablecoin will maintain its value by being pegged to the US dollar. For every stablecoin issued, there will be an equivalent amount of USD held in reserve to basically ensure that there is this pegging. Reserves, these reserves will be stored in secure and regulated third party custodian institutions to ensure stability and security. Regulatory compliance over the long term, we are committed to developing a fully compliant and regulated solution, guys. So this is how they aim to maintain it. So, guys, according to Mr. Jason, where do we see Wadzpay in the next 2 or 3 years? Our goal in the next 2 to 3 years is to be one of the leading players in the blockchain financial services space. We have a strong vision and robust roadmap of what we want to deliver, and we have some very large and exciting contracts we will be delivering this year. So let's see how Wadzpay does, but they certainly seems to be enthusiastic as they are basically trying to trying to be regulated and be compliant all over the world, like Singapore, the Middle East, WARA, ADGM, Hong Kong, and Europe. MICA is basically becoming is becoming the framework for digital assets, and let's hope that Wadzpay transitions into Europe as well. Like we know, LCX is really has a really well-grounded foundation there. Let's hope that LCX and Wadzpay can collaborate as well in the future. Let's see how it goes. So, guys, what do you guys think about Wadzpay and its ambition to basically integrate or eventually replace Visa and Mastercard? I mean, that is overly ambitious, but I think that an integration will happen with the legacy system. So, what do you guys think about it? I would like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.